rice. Okay, so in Tagalog, kanin.
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 And this is the shrimp. In Tagalog, hipon.
Hipon.
Hipon. This is the noodles. In Tagalog, pancit.
Pansip.
Yeah, pancit. Okay, so this is the fried fish. In Tagalog, piniritong esda.
Piniriton. Esta.
Esda.
Esda.
Yeah, esda. Okay. So this is vegetable. In Tagalog, gulay.
Gulay.
Pangpahaba ng buhay.
Ang nakakanya.
Pangpahaba ng buhay. Okay, this is chicken adobo. Adobong chicken. So,
Alubo.
yeah, adobong
Dito
manok.
Nulis ako.
Manok. Okay, this is the dessert. This is banana.
Banana.
Platano in Spanish, but in Tagalog, saging.
Saging.
Okay, this is the piña, pineapple. So, in Tagalog, piña.
Pinya.
Okay, so this is the mango. Mango, in Tagalog, African mango.
African mango.
African mango. Okay, so this is the agua. Importante, agua. In Tagalog, tubig.
Tubig.
Yeah, tubig. This is importante, kutsara, tinidor, plato. So that's you are a full and no left this food. So that means takap.
Takap.
Yeah, takap in Tagalog, takap. No left
Takap.
foods. You're a full, your stomach. So takap.
Takap.
Okay, so
Takaban.
that is vamos. So let's eat and enjoy your lunch.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you for everyone.
Thank you.
And I hope you're full.
Yes,
But
of course.
no takab, ha? No takab. We have a left. So,
Okay.
tama lang. The crew is will eat also in the boat. We
Okay.
have a lobster and lapu-lapu in the boat. Okay,
Perfect.
thank you. Okay, thank you. Let's do it.
Thank you. Thank you.
Ano yung patsa?
Berikan mo.